Hi guys, welcome to the Windows 10 video tutorial series. We have learned about Action Center in previous video. In this video we'll be learning about task view. In taskbar you can see here one icon. It is called task view icon. Now let's right click on it. If you right click on it, there will be many options related to taskbar. Generally task view is used when there are multiple windows open. So let's first open two windows. One is Windows Explorer and another one is Google Chrome. Now let's click on this task view button. When you click on this task view button, all the windows which are currently open will be shown to you. You can select the window on which you want to go. Another option is new desktop. This is the wonderful feature provided by Windows 10. You can add multiple desktop to your system. For example, this is my one desktop in which I have opened two windows. Now let's add one more desktop. And here it is. Now second desktop is also available. So I am going to second desktop, and this desktop have no open window. So at the same time you can access multiple window and multiple desktops. It is like adding a second table or desk into your office. So now you can separately arrange your icons, your shortcuts in this new desktop. To get back to our previous desktop, you can click on this task view, and here you can see the desktop 1, and you can select the window on which you want to go. So this is about adding a new desktop and going to all windows which are open. Now let's explore more options provided by this task view. Task view is used when you want to manage your taskbar. For example, this toolbar option provides 5 sub options: address, links, my del and desktop. If you want to add particular shortcut to your taskbar, then these options are used. For example, address. When I click on this address button, and if I search something, then it will open Microsoft Edge browser and it will show the results. Likewise, you can also add desktop options. So you can directly access various shortcuts like this PC, libraries, OneDrive and many other shortcuts, control panel and recycle bin from taskbar. So currently I am removing these two options, address and desktop. Now Cortana option. This is the Cortana toolbar. If you want to hide the toolbar, then you can just select hidden. If you want to show just Cortana icon, then you can select this option. But if you want to show search box, this search box, then this option can be used. Currently I have selected show search box option. So these are various options like show task view button, which is this button, show touch keyboard button, which enable this keyboard and it will open touch keyboard, cascade windows, show windows stack, so it will stack your windows on top of each other. Another is show windows side by side. This will show your window side by side as caption suggests. You want to see desktop, then you can select this option, show the desktop. Show open windows is the opposite of show desktop. And if you want to open task manager, then you can select this task manager option. Lock the taskbar, and finally properties. Properties are same as other window version like Windows 7 and Windows 8. These options are same as other operating system which are provided by Microsoft. So auto hide option, lock the taskbar, use small taskbar buttons. If you want to use very small taskbar button, then you can check this option. So this is about task pane and taskbar option. You can set your options as per your need and usefulness. Thank you very much.